The only thing that matters is how you play the music of your life, how deeply you engage with each note, how freely you dance to its rhythm, how much you allow yourself to be present in its unfolding. Because in the end, it is not about reaching the final chord, it is about how beautifully you played along the way. Most people go through life as if they are sitting in the audience, watching events unfold on a grand stage before them. They observe, they comment, they react, but they rarely step into the performance itself. It is as if they believe life is something happening to them rather than something they are actively creating. They see themselves as spectators, passively waiting for something significant to occur, something that will finally give them purpose, direction, or meaning. But what if I told you that you were never meant to be just the audience? What if I told you that you are and always have been the performer, the dancer, the musician, the playwright? Life is not a show for you to watch. It is a stage for you to step onto, to participate in fully, to lose yourself in the art of creation. You are not here to simply witness existence. You are here to bring it to life. Yet, so many hesitate. They stand at the edge of the stage, looking around, waiting for permission to step forward. They wait for the perfect moment, for someone to tell them it is their turn, for conditions to be just right before they dare to take action. They believe they must be fully prepared, perfectly rehearsed, absolutely certain before they begin. But life does not work that way. The greatest performances are not those that follow a rigid script, but those that embrace spontaneity, that flow with the rhythm of the moment, that dance with the unexpected. Look at children playing. They do not sit around waiting to be invited into the game. They jump in, they create roles, they invent stories. They do not hesitate, wondering if they are doing it right. They simply do. They embody the purest form of participation, where the joy is in the act itself, not in some predetermined outcome. And yet as we grow older, we begin to step back. We start to believe we must be cautious. We must have a plan. We must not make mistakes. We become afraid of looking foolish, of failing, of not being good enough. And so instead of playing, we watch. Instead of creating, we analyze. Instead of performing, we remain in the audience, always waiting for the right moment to begin. But the truth is, the stage has always been yours. You do not need permission to step forward. You do not need to wait for the perfect moment, because there is no such thing. Life does not follow a strict script, and there is no rehearsal. This is it. The curtain is already up, and the show is in progress. The only question is, will you take your place in it? Consider a musician in a jazz band. Jazz is not about following a rigid set of notes. It is about improvisation. It is about listening to the rhythm of the others and adding your own voice to the melody. There is no guarantee that every note will be perfect, no assurance that every transition will be smooth, but that is what makes it beautiful.